Hey TechKnowStuds, in this video, we're going to identify the network side of these IP addresses. So let's jump into this demo and start identifying the network side. I did get a little note on here that says assume all classful addresses. It's really the only thing we know at this point, so I probably didn't need to include it. But I just wanted to specify that because at some point in time, that's going to change a little bit. We're going to go through this exercise a few times, but as we learn and grow and understand more. So what we're going to do with this exercise is we're going to identify the network portion of this, the network bits. And so what we're going to do is we have to look at each one of these, take a look at the first octet, figure out what range it is. I probably shouldn't circle that because that's part of the exercise. Figure out what range that is. So it's 182, which falls in this class B right here, which means it's 2 octets designates the network portion of this. So the network portion of this class B is the first 2 octets. I'm going to circle that. All right, I go on to the next one, 147, which falls into that same range, 2 octets. So I'm going to circle that. 225, I see that's a multicast address. So I'll make a note here, it's a multicast address which doesn't have the same network bit designator to it. So I'm just gonna write down multicast there. All right, what you should do now is pause the video, go through the rest of these, and then we'll check your answers here in a second. Okay, so there are the answers right there. Make sure you have this information down. Make sure you understand this. If not, practice it more. Continue to practice until you have this down because you're really going to need to understand this concept of what octets are associated with the network side of these addresses.